Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 7th of December. And first of all, national news. IIT Kharagpur placement 2022-23 highest package of rupees 2.68 crore on day 1 received. Over 1000 offers made. Nobody should go to sleep empty stomach. Government's duty to ensure food grains reach the last man. Supreme Court. Fake social media narratives common challenge for most poll bodies. Chief Election Commissioner. Storm brews in Bay of Bengal. Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andhra on alert. Opposition demanded discussions on inflation. Sino-India stand off during all-party meeting ahead of winter session of Parliament. India accorded highest priority to Central Asia, ready to cooperate, invest in region. Ajit Doval at NSA meet. On Ambedkar's death anniversary, PM Narendra Modi recalled his exemplary service to nation. Stone throwing incident. Maharashtra stopped state bus services to Karnataka. Supreme Court to hold hackathon identify ideas to refine case filing. Listing. Rajasthan G20 meeting raised states' hopes of wooing foreign tourists back. Print Digital Self-Regulatory News Association got government's approval. DMK moved Supreme Court seeks review of EWS verdict. All due processes followed while implementing note ban RBI to Supreme Court. PM urged parties to unite for India's G20 term. Kharge offered suggestions. CBI must keep up with changing world, Supreme Court said. Russia's requested for parts linked to talks before Ukraine war begin, Jay Shankar. And now some international news. Prince Harry, UK newspapers agreed pause of defamation case. Russia in war with Ukraine faced economic pain, attempt of isolation. Xi Jinping to embark on 3-day Saudi Arabia visit, state media. Not at the moment, Russia on peace talks with US over Ukraine. Ukraine committed nuclear terrorism over Zaporizhia plant, Russia. Russia's federal agency requested to arrest Ukraine ministers over border violation. Unfair gesture, speculation, China rejected US nuclear weapons report. Ukraine warned of emergency blackouts after heavy Russian missile strikes. Now some sports news. Lone Ranger HS Pranoy eyes glory at Maiden World Tour finals. Pakistan blind cricket team denied visa to travel to India for World Cup. Female umpires to break new ground by during Ranji Trophy. Brazil crushed South Korea 4-1 to set up World Cup quarter-finals clash with Croatia. Croatia beat Japan 3-1, 1-1 on penalties to reach FIFA World Cup quarter-finals. And now, business-related news. Sensex fall over 200 points, extending losses for the third straight day. Rupee crashed 80 paise to 82.60 as the dollar gained sharply. SEBI said can relax norms for government for strategic disinvestment. Center to allow foreign funds to own over 51% in IDBI Bank. World Bank revised India growth forecast to 6.9% for this year. LIC increased stake in HDFC Limited to over 5%. Debt restructuring talks with India were successful, Sri Lanka President. World Bank sees inflation declining in India. Center on track to meet fiscal deficit target of 6.4% for this fiscal, World Bank. Google launch anti-misinformation campaign in India. No point on economic reforms when we don't have an economy, Sri Lankan President. Now news from Science and Technology. NASA's Orion capsule made its closest approach to Moon. Mysteries of Universe in focus for South African Mega Telescope. ISS astronauts will soon munch on tomatoes grown in space. NASA started BioSentinel Space East experiment that launched with Artemis 1. Hubble revisited celestial fireworks of supernova remnant. UN summit don't repeat mistakes on nature, scientists warn. NASA's Orion spacecraft heads home to Earth after finishing moon mission. And that's all in news. Thank you.